Another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I made these pizza egg rolls. They're very simple to make but very delicious. Anyways, let's just start. The ingredients you're going to need: you're going to need 2 eggs, you're going to need a stick of mozzarella, pepperoni, your own sauce. That's the kind of sauce that I'll be using with fresh mushroom, and you're going to need your own egg roll paste. You can buy them at the store, or you can make your own. I bought mine pre-made. The first thing I'm going to do is put my brush into here. I may have to do this a few times to get it thickened. And you're going to smear on like you would a pizza. Like that. What we're going to do, we're going to layer this with pepperoni. All the way down. Put as much as you want on here. That right there is good enough for me. You're going to need to take your eggs and you're going to need to whisk them up real good. So you do this. Okay, that's all you need to do with that. We'll come back to that. Then we're going to put your mozzarella cheese sticks down like that. And then we're going to take the sides like this. We're going to fold it over like that. This side at the end. Fold it over as well. Not 2 of them. Put that one back. And then we're going to take this and we're going to fold it forward like that. Then we're going to roll this all the way to the end. Right there. Make sure that's, get right about there. You're going to take your brush, put a little bit of that egg wash, you put it down here. You're going to put it right here. This is going to help it stick. And then you put that right there, and that will keep it from losing out. And there you go. You get your first egg wash. This is what we're going to do. We're going to cook one at a time. We'll cook it one at a time. Check out them egg rolls. Those are delicious. Now look at that stringy. Look at this. Look at that. Look at all that cream cheese in there. Nice good egg roll. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get all my notifications. And I do appreciate all of y'all. Y'all have a blessing day.